back to Diecast Domination. This is Dev coming to you. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's session. You guys are thrilled and I'm even more excited because this unique model here is from POPRACE and it pops. So most of you already know this upcoming brand, POPRACE, one of the best in the market and also one of the most affordable. This 1/64 scale Honda Civic EG6, and this is not just a regular model. This one is from Tokyo Auto Salon 2025 Special Edition. It's a masterpiece. This model isn't just any other diecast. This beauty captures the spirit of one of the most iconic Japanese cars of all time. Oh, look at that unique color. It's not just any paint job, guys. This thing embodies the vibrant energy of Tokyo's auto culture, making it a standout addition to my collection. The attention to detail is simply breathtaking. If you are thrilled and excited just how I am, push that like button, subscribe to my channel for daily dose of diecast domination, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss future content. Let's get rolling! Welcome back to my beautiful city, the Domination Studio. Let me give you a quick peek of what we have here. Hey, thank you so much for checking out the shots. Now let's talk a bit about this model. First off, let's have a look at this amazing chameleon style paint. It just looks outstanding and definitely represents the JDM car culture. Let me know down in the comment section, what do you lovely folks think about the paint job? Now, second off, and the most important factor in POPRACE is under the hood. They provide a lot of details. For example, check out this amazing EG6. Now you can see the turbo with the intake and also the VTEC engine popping right at you with the hood muff, and there's no hood struts in here, but the hood stays open just fine, so that is not a problem. You can also see the intake with a huge front bumper, and that one looks very stanced according to the drift lifestyle, including the rare spoiler as well, the Potenza spoiler. Have a look, guys, it just looks incredible. Next off are the wheels. Now, if you guys know anything about these kind of rims, these rims are specially meant for the drifting world, and they provide a lot of aerodynamics when it comes to drifting. You guys can see the cuts and the corners cut on the dish on the rim. Looks very nice, and the Potenza logos and the letters on the wheels also help it enhance even more when it comes to details. Another cool feature, you will have to pay very close attention to see it. The bride seats, those look very incredible.